What's going on, mother truckers? Subscribers have been sending this link to me and saying airplane versus semi truck, and I hope it's not the semi truck's fault. And you're thinking in your mind, there's no way in heck that it could ever be the semi truck's fault. But, joking aside, the truth is the truck driver still could get in trouble for this. Let me tell you how. First off, basically the situation is an airplane lifted off in Lexington, North Carolina yesterday, and basically 43-year-old pilot Raymond John Eckley attempted to take off from Lexington Davis Center County Airport and crashed into the rear of a semi-truck traveling on I-85 mile marker 88. So how can this be the truck driver's fault? Well, if the logs aren't right, if you falsify your logs and the officers find out that you shouldn't have been at that very moment when the plane crashed into you, then you could be at fault. It sounds crazy as hell. I know it sounds crazy. Mother truckers, comment down below. Tell me what your thoughts about this are. Just remember this. It's always the truck driver's fault. So you just have to be on defense mode. Always have to have dash cams and make sure you actually always do the right thing. Because if you don't, even if an airplane crashes into you and your logs aren't right and you weren't supposed to be there in North Carolina and you're supposed to be somewhere else, well, you could still get in trouble, get fired. And if anything, the family of the pilot could sue you, which is ridiculous. But that's the part of trucking that just makes me like,